Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to use coupons on Temu. Let's dive in. To get started, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the U icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on Coupons and Offers in the top. You'll be taken to the Unused section where you can see all the coupons that haven't been used yet. If you have a coupon code, you can enter it in the box provided on this screen. You can find coupon codes on various websites or through Temu gift cards and promotions. After typing in the code, tap on the Apply button next to it. Once applied, the coupon will be automatically used during checkout the next time you make a purchase, giving you special discounts or promotional deals on eligible items. After using a coupon, it will move from the Unused section to the Used section. You can tap on Used at the top to check which coupons have already been redeemed. If a coupon expires before you use it, it will be listed under the Expired tab, so you can always check there to see what's no longer valid. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.